You have to leave it for 3 minutes or 4 minutes, but I really genuinely strongly advise you to leave it at least 3 minutes or 4 minutes. All right, so this is how we make KFC chicken. So friends, you're welcome friends back to my show. Thank you so much friends for watching. If it is your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. You're highly welcome to my channel, guys. In today's video, I would like to show you step by step how you can make your own KFC. Please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, the notification bell, share this video, leave the comments below should in case if I upload any of my baking or my remedy or any of my video, you are going to be among of the first person to get the notification. Guys, here let's start cooking. The first ingredients here is a plain flour, and we're going to be using crayfish, prawns, blended one. And here, this is the pepper chili powder. We're going to be using chili powder, and this is the chili powder here. And this is the, you can get any stuff you like. I'm not going to be using that, guys. I'm going to be using this. I'm going to make the KFC in African way, alright? And you can use any seasoning you want, alright? But I'm just going to show you, and you can get all purpose. I'm not going to use that in case if you want to make it in your way. And this is chicken seasoning, so we're going to be using this, and I'm going to be using salt, and we're going to be using organic egg. You can get any fresh free range, you can get any eggs you want. And then we're going to be using the breast chicken to do that, alright? And that is my vegetable oil. You can reuse your vegetable oil, guys. I've reused this, I've seasoning it. The only thing I'm going to be doing today, now I'm going to be applying onions. I've already reused it, then I've already seasoned it. So we're going to be using onions. Yeah, guys. Cornflakes. You can get any cornflakes of your choice. I thought this is very cheap and it's a good brand, so we're going to be using it.